Bodies are not mentioned in constitution, जो either statutory में है और extra constitutional executive में है, created by government resolution or without a specific act. नीति आयोग extra constitutional executive resolution. नीति आयोग नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन फॉर ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग इंडिया रिप्लेस किया प्लानिंग कमीशन को जो 1950 में बना था, और ये यूनियन कैबिनेट से रिजोल्यूशन फॉर्म हुआ 1 जनवरी 2015 को, नॉट बाई एक्ट ऑफ पार्लियामेंट, नॉट स्टेचुटरी बॉडी. प्रीमियर पॉलिसी थिंक टैंक फोस्टर कोऑपरेटिव फेडरलिज्म, फॉलो बॉटम अप अप्रोच. प्लानिंग कमीशन का टॉप डाउन अप्रोच था. सेंट्रलाइज प्लानिंग स्ट्रक्चर, चेयरपर्सन काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर, गवर्निंग काउंसिल हेडेड बाय पीएम, चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ ऑल स्टेट यूटी, लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर एंड एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर ऑफ यूटी विदाउट लेजिस्लेचर, रीजनल काउंसिल constituted for specific multi-state issue, headed by PM or his nominee, by chairperson in charge of day-to-day work, rank of cabinet minister of 4 full-time member, rank of minister of state 2 part-time member, academic rational basis up to 4 ex officio union cabinet minister nominated by PM, CEO rank of secretary to the government of India, fixed tenure, appointed PM, act as member of secretary function, डिजाइन करेगा पॉलिसी प्रोग्राम फ्रेमवर्क, फोस्टर कोऑपरेटिव फेडरलिज्म, मॉनिटर इवैल्यूएट प्रोग्राम को, एक्ट एज नॉलेज एंड इनोवेशन हब, डज नॉट हैव पावर टू allocate फंड to a state. This is now the Finance Commission and Indian budget process. नीति आयोग, a think tank with only advisory or recommendatory role, cannot impose policy on state. NHRC 12 अक्टूबर 1993 को बना. प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ ह्यूमन राइट एक्ट PHRA 1993. PHRA 1993 also provide state human right commission. Chairperson 5 member with at least 1 member from SC/ST. Member secretary. Chairperson retired Chief Justice of India or retired serving judge of Supreme Court. Appointed committee appointed by President, recommendation of 6-member committee. PM, Speaker of Lok Sabha, Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha, Leader of Opposition of both House, Union Home Minister. Term 3 year or 70, whichever is earlier, removed by President on a specific ground set out in Act. Removal of SC/ST judge, power inquiry into human rights violation, so moto or on petition. Power of civil court will investigating, cannot inquire into a matter of after 1 year of the incident. Recommendation are only advisory, not binding. NHRC cannot punish violators directly. Jurisdiction over human rights violation by armed force is restricted. NHRC has no power to award compensation or punish a violator directly. It can be only recommend. SHRC, State Human Rights Commission, provide for under the same protection of Human Rights Act 1993 at the state level. इंक्वायर करेगा वायलेशन ह्यूमन राइट का स्टेट लिस्ट और कंकरेंट लिस्ट में. चेयरपर्सन और मेंबर अपॉइंटेड बाय गवर्नर, रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ CM, स्पीकर ऑफ लोकसभा, स्टेट होम मिनिस्टर, लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन ऑफ इन असेंबली प्लस चेयरमैन एंड लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन in the assembly plus chairman and leader of opposition of legislative council in bicameral legislative state. Removal by president, not by governor, or on ground of proved misbehavior or incapacity after an inquiry by Supreme Court judge. Even though governor appoint SHRC, only by president can remove them. Central Information Commission statutory established in 2005. Right to Information Act 2005. Chief Election Commissioner up to 10 Information Commissioner appointed by President. Recommendation of Committee of PM, Chairperson, Leader of Opposition in Lok Sabha and Union Cabinet Minister nominated by PM. Term as prescribed by the central government or until age 65, whichever is earlier not eligible for reappointment, receive an inquiry into complaint regarding information request under RTI. So motor power in order to inquiry has power civil court will inquiring summoning requiring document removed by president on ground of including insolvency, unsoundment, criminal conviction, paid employment, misbehavior, incapacity, SIC under RTI Act 2005 state level counterpart of CIC, jurisdiction over state government body PSU and authority SCIC plus 10 state information commissioner, appointment governor, recommendation on chief minister, cabinet minister nominated by him and leader of opposition in assembly until passed or patch whichever is earlier. Information commissioner can later become a state CIC, but both posts combined cannot exceed 5 years. Removal by governor on ground of similar to CIC removal. Central Vigilance Commission established 1964. Statutory executive resolution on recommendation Santhanam Committee 62 1962. Statutory stated by CBC Act 2003. Apex vigilance body receive and act on complaint of corruption or misuse of office including from whistleblower. CBC chairperson not more than 2 vigilance commissioner appointed by president, warrant under his hand and seal, recommendation of 3-member committee. PM Union Home Minister, leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, term 4 year or until age 65, whichever is earlier not eligible for further government employment. Removal by president on ground of proved misbehavior or incapacity after a Supreme Court inquiry. Similar protection to UPSC member. CBC is not an investigating agency itself, carried out through the CBI or Central Chief Vigilance Officer posted in government department. In power to inquiry into offence under the Prevention Corruption Act 1988, certain category public servant. CBC supervise the CBI anti-corruption work but does not investigate case indirectly. CBI non-statutory, not a statutory body, derives its power from Delhi Special Police Establishment DPSC Act 1946. It but does not itself create CBI as a statutory entity in the way the RTI Act creates the CIC. 1963 में recommend Santhanam Committee foundation under Department of Personnel and Training, Ministry of Personnel or Public Grievance and Pension under the PMO, headed by director, work under CBC supervision. Prevention and Corruption Act 1988, डायरेक्टर टेंडर मिनिमम 2 year under the CBC Act 2003 to insult the post from arbitrary transfer. State level investigation. CBI needs the concerned state government consent to investigate a case in that state unless the Supreme Court or High Court order the investigation on case in UT. No consent needed there. लोकपाल एंड लोकयुक्त स्टेचुअरी established under लोकपाल एंड लोकयुक्त एक्ट 2013. एंटी करप्शन ombudsman for public functionary. लोकपाल यूनियन लेवल composition 1 chairperson not more than 8 member. At least 50% of member must be judicial. At least 50% of member must belong to SC, ST, OBC minority. Selection search committee. Panel of selection committee. PM, Speaker of Lok Sabha, leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, CGI or his nominee. One eminent jurist recommends name, president appoint. Jurisdiction cover PA, Prime Minister, Minister, MPN. Group A, B, C, D, central government employee with special safeguard for inquiry against the PM. Matter of international relations, security, atomic energy and space, are excluded. Inquiry against PM needs full bench consideration, at least 2/3 of approval in camera. Salary status: chairperson equated to the CGA, a member equated to SC judge. Lokpal does not have suo motu power to initiate action against public servant. It acts only on complaint received. Lokyukta: state level, state equivalent of Lokpal. Every state is required to establish a Lokyukta by a law made by state legislature. Deals with corruption, complaint against state public functionaries. Recommendation of Lokyukta are advisory only, not binding to state government. Lokpal's inquiry procedure: preliminary inquiry within 90 days, then investigation, departmental action or closure. NCW नेशनल कमीशन फॉर वुमेन स्टैच्यूरी है 31 जनवरी 1992 को। NCW एक्ट 1990। पास चेयरमैन जयंती पटनायक। कंपोजिशन: चेयरपर्सन 5 member, a member secretary, all nominated by central government, 3 year or 65, whichever is earlier. Review constitutional legal safeguard for women. Recommends remedial legislation, facilitate redressal of grievance, advises government on policy matter affecting women. Purely advisory. Recommendatory body, recommendation not binding on union or state government. NCBC placed here by convention, no longer non-constitutional statutory. 102 CA 2018 article inserted 338B giving NCBC full constitutional status. NCSC and NCST, and repealed earlier NCBC Act 1993. Originally set up in 1993, NCBC Act 1993, SC Directive, Indra Sohani case versus 1992. Present NCBC in force since 2018 under Article 338B. Chairperson, Vice Chairperson, 3 other member appointed by President by warrant under his hand and seal. Related Article 242A inserted by 102 amendment. President empowered President to notify special educationally backward classes (SEBC) for a state duty in consultation with the governor. Any change to this central list need a parliamentary law. 105 CA 2021 restored state power to prepare and maintain their own state list. This state government power was removed by 102 amendment clarified by SC in the Maratha reservation case. SC interrupted power exclusively vested in President of India. NCPCR, National Commission for Protection of Child Rights Statutory. Commission for Protection of Child Rights CPCR Act 2005 came into force 2006. Composition: chairperson 6 member, of whom at least 2 must be women. Mandate: all matter relating to children, defining as person up to the age of 18 years. Function: examine and review safeguard for child right under the Constitution and other law. Inquiry into complaint. Recommended remedial measure. Also provide a state commission and for protection child right at a state level under the same act. National Commission for Minorities NCM statutory. Original Minorities Commission set up in 1978. Non-statutory, resolution based. Given statutory status NCM Act 1992. Communities notified as minority under the Act: Muslim, Christian, Sikh, Buddhist, Zoroastrian, Parsis, Jain added in 2004. Chairperson, Vice Chairperson, 5 member nominated by central government. All members must belong to minority communities. Evaluate progress: minority development, minority safeguard, under constitution and law, looks into a specific complaint or deprivation of right, makes recommendation to the central state government. Law Commission of India, non-statutory executive and executive body established by an order notification of Ministry of Law and Justice, not created by any act of parliament, not a permanent body. Reconstituted periodically, each commission typically for a 3-year term. 23rd Law Commission, 1 सितंबर 24 से 31 अगस्त 2027 तक. फर्स्ट लॉ कमीशन कॉलोनियल 1834 में, चार्टर एक्ट 1833, लॉर्ड में काले रिकमेंडेड और कोडिफिकेशन ऑफ लॉ सच एज IPC. फर्स्ट लॉ कमीशन इंडिपेंडेंट 1955 में, MC स्टेलवार्ड, इंडियाज फर्स्ट अटॉर्नी जनरल, फंक्शन रिसर्च एंड एडवाइस गवर्नमेंट ऑन लीगल रिफॉर्म, identify absolute law for appeal, examines law, refer to it, submit report. Recommendation are not binding on the government. Law Commission is a purely advisory temporary body reconstituted by executive order. Unlike NCW, NCM, NCPCI, it has no enabling act of parliament behind it.